Detailing an SCP. What is an SCP? Well, I've written a lot of stuff here about what an SCP is, and you can pause this video and read it if you want. And then I'm just going to, it comes down, there's 14 different items. I'm just going to talk generally about what an SCP is, because it's a school photo and we're editing school photos. Now when somebody requests a page to look at a particular page on our website, that page has two photos on it. One is the main photo and one is the face number photo, and as well as that it has other information that is basically data that the detailer puts in for the photo. So the page consists of two images plus some data, and it is a detailer's job to assemble that data. And the page doesn't exist, but when it's requested, the site assembles the page and sends it to the browser of the person who's requesting it. Now, the SCP is something we refer to because every particular page, and I'm going to refer down to the bottom here, to this area here, and there's another one here. These are what are called the page titles, and the first three digits are what are called an asset code, and followed by the asset number. So in this case here, the asset number is number 2, and we've padded it out with 4 zeros so that this title has 8 characters. Whereas up here, the number is 547, and it only gets 2 zeros as padding, because we want all of our titles to be 8 characters long, so that they always look the same. So that's what we do. So basically when we talk about an SCP, we're talking about this number here that uniquely identifies a particular page. So up here a bit, we were talking, well, in the previous video we were talking about being sent a to-do list with a set of SCP numbers on it. So you might be sent SCP 96 and SCP 97, 98, 99 and 100. That might be what you're requested to detail, and when you've finished those, detailed those ones, you get sent another set. So these SCP numbers are important in for us to control the workflow. And when an SCP is entered into the system, it is entered both as an asset code, which is SCP, and a number, which is 547. And I'm not going to say any more because it can get very confusing if I just repeat these things over and over again. So have a read, ask the questions, do a bit, and you'll find it's really quite obvious what the difference is. There's only 3 things. There's the entire, what we call a title, which is the 8-digit code. There's an asset code, which is 3 capital letters, and there's a number, and we pad that number out so it's 5 digits long. So altogether we end up with an 8-character title.